Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Thank you for your interest. This is the 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Stock number is 7362. On this virtual video walkaround, we're going to show you this Hyundai up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Now, take notice of the exterior condition, passenger side. No dents, no dings, no scrapes, no scratches. And we're going to take you on a virtual video walkaround showing the rear, the rest of the exterior, then we're going to put you inside the interior. A very economical vehicle. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. How does warranty protection for life and oil changes for life at no cost to you sound? Well, you're going to get it with this Hyundai right here. Take notice in the interior condition of the rear. Ample legroom for friends and family that might be traveling with you. And as we make our way into the driver's front, you're going to see that it's absolutely impeccable condition also. Easy accessibility with all your controls within arm's length. Very comfortable, safe vehicle with low mileage. You know she's not going to last long. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet with you. Also, hopefully, earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walkaround. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.